thank Corey for sending in this great picture of Mill Creek Park, Lanterman's Mill, of course, and 2 seasons in one today. We still have a little bit of foliage on the trees, and then we still had some snow on the ground this morning. A lot of this snow did melt pretty quickly in that sunshine earlier on today. Overnight snow totals with lake effect, your mileage varies quite a bit, but generally 1 to 3 inches was pretty common in most areas. We had a couple of higher amounts, especially over into Mercer County. The snow shower activity, the timing of it was pretty good in that it was mostly gone by daybreak this morning. We still had some localized road issues first thing this morning, but by mid-morning it was long gone, and actually the sun came out, but the sun was fairly ineffective today because the gusty wind continued, so the wind chill was a factor today. No higher than the 20s most of the day. The wind is starting to calm down a little bit this evening, so those wind chill numbers are slowly rising. The air temperature is falling, though. We'll drop down to 33. Overnight tonight, that's actually pretty close to average for this time of the year. All right, no problems for Election Day tomorrow weather-wise. We're expecting plenty of sunshine as we head through the day, and while we'll get off to a cold start, the afternoon will not be too bad, especially compared to today. A little Election Day, presidential Election Day history for our area. The warmest one since 1950 was back in 2008. It was 71 degrees. Back in 1984 on Election Day, it was a cold day with a high of only 40. We'll be warmer than that tomorrow, up to a seasonable 52 tomorrow afternoon. All right, nothing really to talk about for the rest of the week other than the warming trend. We'll see plenty of sunshine, a gusty breeze, and temperatures will be on the uptick over the next several days. All right, will the winter feature more warming trends like we're going to have this week? My annual winter forecast for 2020-2021 will air this Thursday, November 5th on 21 News at 6 and 11 with a longer version posted online. And a big factor in this year's winter forecast, La Nina, that's the cooling of the waters in the equatorial Pacific. This can influence weather patterns across North America, and in a typical moderate to strong La Nina, it ends up being kind of wet around here. That doesn't mean snowy necessarily, but it does mean that precipitation should be plentiful in our area this winter, but not a drop of rain and certainly no snowflakes over the next 7 days. Look at these temperatures at the end of the week and heading into the weekend. Upper 60s and perhaps 70 or so by the weekend and early on next week. Derek?
Wow, incredible after what we just went through. Thanks, Eric. Next on 21 News, how a car dealer in Mercer County is providing a truck full of hope for local families in need.
And here's a look at what's trending on WFMJ.com. The coroner identifies a man found shot dead outside of a Youngstown restaurant. A Warren man says a scam